Hi guys, my name is Rizwan Ahmed. I'm a private investigator. Today I will be reacting to another video of out of Harrison, Ohio, and we're gonna follow and see what's going on in this video. So let's check it out. So this is the video. It's gonna involve a shootout and first initial is a traffic stop. So let's watch and blow by blow we're gonna narrow it down like what happened and how it ended. So first we know it was pretty suspicious, the guy sitting in the back smoking, and then the lady was kind of nervous. So but let's see what happens ahead. So first of all, when he came back, he opened the car door. That's not allowed. The second thing is you cannot ask the passenger like that about, and he's acknowledging that it's I know about the rules, and he's gonna continue saying that. But before we dive into this one, we really want to make sure that we know about it. Like anybody who's driving the vehicle that is responsible for the traffic stop, none of the passengers are. So if you are aware of this rule, you can deny them. He cannot even open the car door without your permission. So just keep that in mind. So he said that you have consent from her, but we did not saw her giving the consent. He just went to check on the passenger, and this is false pretext, you can say. But under these circumstances, you really want to make sure that there is nothing illegal, just to be safe. So that's what the cop is doing, and he's right on that part. It got some glitch. Sorry about that. But we'll continue with this. Sorry again. I know that was a crunch moment, but this video is giving us hard time. It's going like fast speed, 2x. We don't want 2x. So let's go. So did you all notice like what the fuck just happened? He actually shot the cop and then ran away. The lady's still there. Do you think he can still catch up, or he must be gone by now? What do you think? Because a lot of cars passed, and but they know it's blue Dodge Journey. So let's see. So why the cops are not showing up? It's been a while. Like it's they really got thrown on. So they got him in the end with the infrared. But this technology is so good, you can detect the heat. But what do you think? Like he did the right thing, or he was bad in making choices? He could have survived, or he could have shown if he had a legal gun. So these are the things you want to make sure that if you have a gun, or if you have the right permits and you see he's shooting. So cops really did a good job on him. So let's see. That was today's video. Let me know if you like it. I will be sharing with you more videos. So we are Riz Reacts Investigator channel out of Virginia. Thank you so much for joining, and I really appreciate your time.